Ever found yourself scrolling through endless online marketplaces, dreaming of starting your own e-commerce empire, but feeling completely lost? Like you're wandering in a vast, confusing digital bazaar with no map, no guide, no SaleHoo? You've heard whispers, seen glowing reviews, maybe even glimpsed their logo. But one question keeps nagging at you. Where exactly is SaleHoo? It's a question that, on the surface, seems simple. A quick Google search might give you a general answer, but understanding the true nature of SaleHoo, its physical presence, and its operational model requires a deeper dive. Because, let's face it, in the world of online business, trust and transparency are paramount. You want to know who you're dealing with, where they're coming from, and how they operate. Think of it like this. You wouldn't buy a car from a dealership you've never seen, right? You'd want to visit, kick the tires, talk to the sales staff, get a feel for the place. Similarly, when you're building your online business, you need to understand the foundations of the tools and resources you're using. SaleHoo isn't just a website. It's a platform designed to connect you with thousands of verified suppliers, offering a wide range of products for your online store. They streamline the process of finding reliable wholesalers, dropshippers, and liquidators, saving you countless hours of research and mitigating the risks associated with dealing with unknown entities. But back to the burning question. Where is this hub of e-commerce opportunity located? Well, SaleHoo is a company headquartered in Christchurch, New Zealand. Yes, you heard that right, New Zealand, a beautiful, tech-savvy country known for its innovation and entrepreneurial spirit. Now, you might be thinking, New Zealand? That's halfway across the world. And you're right. But in today's interconnected digital age, geographical location is less of a barrier than it used to be. SaleHoo operates primarily online, serving customers from all corners of the globe. Their platform is accessible 24/7, allowing you to research suppliers, analyze market trends, and manage your inventory from anywhere with an internet connection. However, understanding their physical location is still important. It tells you something about the company's roots, its values, and its operational philosophy. New Zealand has a strong reputation for business integrity and customer service, which aligns with SaleHoo's commitment to providing a safe and reliable platform for its users. Furthermore, being based in New Zealand offers SaleHoo a unique perspective on the global e-commerce landscape. They're not confined to a single market or region, allowing them to identify emerging trends and opportunities from a broader perspective. But it's crucial to understand that SaleHoo is primarily a digital platform. Their core business isn't about physical storefronts or warehouses. It's about connecting you with a vast network of suppliers through a user-friendly online interface. So, while their headquarters are in Christchurch, their reach is truly global. They've built a robust online infrastructure that allows them to serve customers worldwide, regardless of their location. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into what SaleHoo actually does. They offer a comprehensive suite of tools and resources to help you launch and grow your online business. First, their supplier directory is the heart of their platform. It's a curated database of thousands of verified suppliers, offering a wide range of products at wholesale prices. You can filter suppliers by product category, location, and shipping options, making it easy to find the perfect partners for your business. Second, they provide market research tools to help you identify profitable niches and trending products. These tools give you valuable insights into market demand, competition, and potential profit margins, helping you make informed decisions about what to sell. Third, they offer a community forum where you can connect with other e-commerce entrepreneurs, share tips and strategies, and get answers to your questions. This supportive community can be invaluable for navigating the challenges of starting and running an online business. Fourth, SaleHoo provides various training and educational resources, including guides, tutorials, and webinars. These resources are designed to help you learn the ins and outs of e-commerce, from product sourcing and marketing to customer service and fulfillment. It's important to remember that SaleHoo is not a supplier itself. They don't hold inventory or ship products. Instead, they act as a facilitator, connecting you with reliable suppliers and providing the tools and resources you need to succeed. Their business model is based on a subscription fee, which gives you access to their platform and all its features. This subscription model allows them to maintain the quality of their supplier directory and invest in ongoing improvements to their platform. Now, let's address some common misconceptions about SaleHoo's location and operations. Some people mistakenly believe that SaleHoo is a drop shipping company or a product sourcing agent. While they do offer resources related to drop shipping and product sourcing, their primary focus is on providing a comprehensive supplier directory and market research tools. Others might think that because they are based in New Zealand, they only deal with suppliers from that region. This is also incorrect. SaleHoo's supplier directory includes suppliers from all over the world, including the United States, China, Europe, and many other countries. The key takeaway here is that SaleHoo's location is less important than its online presence and the value it provides to its users. They've built a robust digital platform that transcends geographical boundaries, allowing them to connect e-commerce entrepreneurs with suppliers from around the globe. Think of it like a digital bridge, connecting you to the resources you need to build your online business, regardless of where you are located. Their headquarters may be in New Zealand, but their impact is felt worldwide. In the end, what truly matters is the quality of their services and the reliability of their platform. SaleHoo has built a strong reputation for providing accurate information, verified suppliers, and excellent customer support. Their commitment to transparency and integrity has earned them the trust of thousands of e-commerce entrepreneurs around the world. And that trust, ultimately, is what makes them a valuable resource for anyone looking to build a successful online business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.